Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Salva Hassan. Suppose the bridge of your locality has been damaged by the recent flood. Now compose an email to the chairman of your union to take a step for repairing the bridge. To chairman.sultanpur@gmail.com. Subject: for repairing the bridge. The chairman, Kaligonj, Satkhira. Dear sir, we are the inhabitants of our union. We are the inhabitants of our union. Our locality has been flawed, and the normal order of living has been destroyed. The bridge, the bridge over the bridge over the river Isamoti has been damaged. People of our area are not able to cross. People of our area are not able to cross the river. The the communication between our locality, the communication between our locality and other localities has been disrupted. So the bridge needs to be repaired. So the bridge needs to be repaired. I hope you will take immediate steps to repair bridge. Sincerely, your Jahid Islam. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and latest new video. Thank you.